Hello everyone and welcome to Fix and Action YouTube channel. So here we got LG devices and we're trying to transfer data from this device to another device. It's very easy. You can use this method if you have recently purchased a new device or your old device is not working and you have another device for backup and you're trying to transfer the data between them, such as apps and all the data, pictures, videos, contacts and everything. So it usually copies everything from one device to another one. It's so simple. Just make sure like the phones are up to date and the software is also up to date, like for the data backup software or LG software. So for this method you have to go to settings on both devices. Like for example, we got swipe from top to bottom, you will see the settings gear here. The same with this one, swipe from top to bottom, you will see the setting gear icon here. Another method you can use is you have to find the settings icon or app. The same thing with this device. Let's find the settings app. So it's here and it's here, and now swipe down. So if you are in this section, swipe down and you will see here system in one device, another one also will message system. So you can click on the system on both devices. So this method is for LG to LG usually, and it should be same for all LG devices if you're transferring data from one LG device to another one. So now you will see another menu here. So here you will see backup. Click on backup, and now you will see here the first one, it says LG mobile switch or LG mobile switch. Click on that. This is used for Google backup, and now we are using only the top one. It says LG mobile switch. So it will come in both devices, and now you can backup data on through USB. For example, you got a USB connection and you have a cable, and through that cable you can connect both devices. So it's a separate cable. You can order it online or from the company website, and you can transfer data from one device to another one. And you can do it through SD card also. For example, you have to insert SD card in this device, then you have to copy all the data manually to SD card, remove the SD card, insert it here, and then you can copy back or bring back all the data from this device to SD card. So we are doing the wireless one. So wireless one, press on the wireless here, then on this one also. So now for example, this is our new device and this is our old device, and we're trying to transfer from this device to this one, or either you can do vice versa. For example, from this device to this. So we trying to send data from this device to this one. For this method, you have to click on receive on your new device and send on your old device. So now press on start. For example, let's press on start on the old device and as well on the new device. Now they will be trying to reach each other and communicate with each other. So they're checking around. So now this device found this device, which is Tribute Monarch. So tap on that one, and now it will be sending a call to each other or a message to each other that, hey, I want to send the data to you. And now it received. It says receive data. Yes, receive it. So now it's loading data backup. So it's telling you want to transfer everything, like personal data, media data, videos, pictures and stuff like that, LG app data, downloaded apps, settings. So the settings that we have here, so we want to transfer that one here also. So let's press next here, and that's it. So now it's transferring all the data from this device to this one. So if you have a lot of data, like more than 1 gigabyte, so it will take longer time. And as you can see on both devices, you will see a percentage that how many percent the data is being sent or received. So just be patient and make sure that you are sending the right data, and any data that you don't need, so you can go manually to your old device and then you can delete those data that you don't need, and then you can send only the important data to your new device. So after this completes, you should have all your data in this new device. and just follow this video guys, and I hope this video will help you how to transfer data from your old LG to a new LG or vice versa. And if you like this video and if it helped you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate your support.